Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Orphe, and today I want to talk to you about this channel. I want to talk to you about the future of this channel. So please stick around because some of the things that I'm going to be sharing might be important to you, especially if you're a photographer and trying to find different ways, how to be a better creator in this society, in this, in this madness, sometimes in this noise. I want to tell you how my journey has evolved. I want to be able to tell you why I'm making these changes. So last year in September, I decided to be more serious about this channel. My goal was to showcase, my fashion side and shooting models for you guys. And my audience grew, I think almost 10 times bigger than last year. So the content that I've been creating inspired a lot of people. I gained new followers, but I want to be true to myself. Because at the end of the day, I think that sometimes we do things based on maybe sometimes what other people are doing, but also you only showing one side of what you do in real life. For me, it was always showing you one side of the things that I do in real life. And in real life, fashion photography is not my source of revenue. But I want to be true not only to myself, but I want to be true to you in the sense that the things that I do in real life that really help me as a creator and also as a person, as a husband, as a father, it's outside of fashion photography. I'm a creator, and the things that I've been showing you here is just one side of what I call my hobby, which is fashion photography, because I love it. I love shooting models. And I remember at one point I wanted to create my own agency. But outside of this, I'm passionate about a lot of things. I'm passionate about teaching. I'm passionate about, connecting with people, having real conversations, and so on. Those are the things that help me outside of just fashion photography as a person. So now I shoot documentaries, I, consult people, I do different things, and even the things I do for fun, I want to be able to vlog. I want to be able to talk to you about some projects that I'm working on. I want to be able to experiment, but mostly I want to be able to bring you into this journey and be true to myself and create outside of the restrictions of YouTube. At the end of the day, if I die today, I want to be able to do the things that I love today. I want to be able to show you the things that I love today. Showing you fashion photography only is not a true representation of who I am and a true representation of how I could serve you better. Some people know it, but some people don't. I started as a recording artist. I was making music with my wife, and then I started going to videography. I was in front of the lens because I was shooting music videos. So before photography, I was making videos, and then I became a photographer. And after that, I started shooting documentaries, and I shoot videos, and I create a lot of projects for others and even for myself. My goal on this channel is to help photographers become better creators, better freelancers, because outside of YouTube is a real world. I talk to clients, and some people don't know how to negotiate contracts. I want to be able to talk about all those things, bring you behind the scenes, show you different places where I go to, and some of the projects that I do even for fun. Not only gives me flexibility for myself, but I'm being true to me, but also I'm being a better creator for you guys. So talking about being a creator, I want to talk to you about an event that I'm organizing. It's going to be virtual, it's going to be online, and it's free. It's a free workshop about building your creative identity. This is for new creators, photographers, people who are just starting out. You want to be confident with your work. You want to learn how to navigate in this noise and create your brand identity as a creator, as a photographer. On October 11th, I'm going to be having this virtual workshop. Just go on thecreatorswell.com/virtual workshop. It's going to be from 11:30 to 1 p.m. Eastern time. Thank you so much again for following me here, and I'll see you in the next episode. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Orphe, baby. I'm out.